This video is about HeatLoad Pro 2.0. HeatLoad 2.0 has two modules, Building Heat Load Estimator and the Heating Cost Estimator. Both of these modules are also included in the Hydronics Design Studio 3.0. Now, for customers that don't need these capabilities of the Hydronics Design Studio 3.0, can purchase the HeatLoad Pro 2.0 if they want to do building heat load estimating. HeatLoad Pro 2.0 has a typical menu on the top of the screen where you can go to Hydronics Pro's website, or you can go to the training site where this video will be, or bring up a README file that will have the appropriate information about HeatLoad Pro 2.0. Basically, they're the two modules I mentioned, the Building Heat Load Estimator and this other icon right here will bring you to the Heating Cost Estimator. The Building Heat Load Estimator, which is one of the two modules in HeatLoad Pro 2.0, basically allows the user to easily enter inputs needed to estimate the heat load on a building room by room. So basically you have the capability of creating rooms that are in the building, and there can be up to 24 rooms, and you build each room with this interface that calls out the specifications for walls, windows, doors, ceilings, floors for each of the rooms. The actual training video for this is the same video on YouTube that is part of the Hydronics Design Studio 3.0 Building Heat Load Estimator. So it's the same package, and you can go to that video and learn how to operate this particular module of within the HeatLoad Pro 2.0. The other module that's within HeatLoad Pro 2.0 estimates the annual cost for heating a building. This list menu accesses the weather data in the US and Canada, and there are a few cities for each of the states or provinces. It can also transfer the heat load from the Building Heat Load Estimator module to this one by the click of a button. Again, the Hydronics Design Studio 3.0 video that is on the site listed here is the same video, since it is the same package that is within the Hydronics Design Studio 3.0. This is a calculator, an area and volume calculator that's within the Building Heat Load Estimator. It allows the user to easily calculate areas and volumes of typical shapes and apply these values to the appropriate building components. So as you can see, it's got some nice graphics. You can input the dimensions, and this will automatically place those dimensions, whether you want to add, subtract this from already existing values that are in the Building Heat Load Estimator. To see this in detail, there's a video under the Hydronics Design Studio 3.0 video areas for area and volume calculating video on the site listed there. This concludes this brief explanation of HeatLoad Pro 2.0 and its capabilities. Thank you.